Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tony here, and I'm here to give you a lesson about how to use the Metatrader platform. I've gotten a lot of requests of people asking me how to use this platform, how to enter trades, and how to come out of trades as well. So I'm just going to show you the layout of the application. Please be advised, this is on Android. I'll be showing you how to use the application on iOS as well. Now, when you get into your Metatrader 5 app, you will see those icons down there. There's quotes, charts, trade, history, and messages. Okay, so right now the screen that you are seeing is quotes. All right, this is where it shows each and every synthetic indice chart that is available. If you want to add more charts onto this display, you just go to the plus button here. When you open the plus button, you see that it shows each and every designation of the charts. So there's volatility indices, crush and boom indices, step indices, range break, jump indices. So when you open this, you'll be able to see which indice that you want, and then you pick it. So when you click on it, it'll disappear and it'll show down here. All right. Just wait for it to load. That's it. All right. So this is the actual app. All right. So just come out of it. Let's go back to this part. So that's one. That's how you add charts. When you want to remove charts, it's a similar process. You just go to edit there, and then you go to the bin up there. All right. You choose whichever chart that you wouldn't want, right? When you click on it, a tick comes out, and then you can say delete. Then when you go back, it's no longer there. So basically, this is the quotes section. Now you've got your chart section. The chart section will show you the last chart that you had opened. So the last chart that I had opened was V75. So you can see it from here. Okay, so this is just the basic chart, as I said before. So now when we move on to trade, it's going to show you the current running trades that you would have entered. So it'll show you your balance, your equity, your margin, your free margin, and the margin level percentage right there. So as you can see on the screen, the trades that I've opened for volatility 751S and crush 1000, those are my current running trades. This is how you see the actual trades. To see whether you have put a stop loss or not, you just tap the trade like that. It'll show you on the SL and the TP right there. SL stands for, so that's the trade. Now let's move on to history. It's going to show you the trades that have been done. So basically, this is where you can keep track of the trades that you do. Simple, right? Okay. Now let's go to the messages. Messages here, you usually receive messages from the terminal, the community, or the MQ-L5 system. So that comes from further system integration that I'll later on show you on how you'll be able to link your phone to your computer's MQ-L5 trading platform. All right, so now let's go on to creating a trade. All right, so we will go to quotes. Since we're in quotes here, let's choose a chart. Let's choose V751S. All right. So since it's like this, when you see the chart and you have identified an order, let's go to a smaller chart. Let's open. So when you open your chart and you see the most optimum time to enter your position, you then click the plus button on top there, and when you click, you come to this menu. All right, so this menu has the market execution on top there, the lot sizes right at the bottom, your SL, which is your stop loss, and your TP, which is your take profit. All right, so what I want you to do when you are placing an order, when you click on top here, you see that there's market execution, which means that you will execute an order immediately. And there's a buy limit, sell limit. Buy limit, sell limit basically means predicting price or expecting it to get to a certain point of the chart. Then when you put a buy or a sell limit, it'll get activated as soon as price gets there. Same goes to buy stops and sell stops. So let's go back. We're doing market execution for today example. All right, so you then choose the lot size that you want. All right, the lowest lot size is usually the best, especially if you have small accounts and if you're a beginner here. So how you choose a smaller lot size is through here. I usually press the minus button here and here to see that it's at its lowest, but you can also increase it with these. So let's pick the lowest lot size. It's 0.20. all right, so how do you execute? You execute by down here, you say sell. All right, so when you sell, what happens is your order gets activated down here. So when your order is activated, now you would have executed in the market. Now, just like I said, if you want to put a stop loss, you first go to your chart. So I don't want this chart to go beyond, let's see, I don't want the chart to go beyond this point. All right, so when I click that, it's going to give me this arrow. All right, and this arrow, I'm able to see my pips on the side in the white rectangle. So I usually wouldn't want my price to go above there. All right, so that's 5818.026, but I'm just going to take 5818. So what do? I go back to the trade. All right, I look for the trade here. All right, now I execute it. I say modify position. All right, sorry, entered the wrong one. So I go here, I modify the position, I say 5818. Now what will you see? You will see the stop loss will be reflected right at the top there. All right, so now if you had analyzed your chart, that stop loss will prevent you from losing any more money when you are trading. All right, so basically this is the basic breakdown on how you use your Mt5 and how you place your trades. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this, and feel free to comment and ask any question that you are literally looking for. I'll be here to help you out. So till we meet again, stay blessed and stay focused.